National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Ulster County in east central New York, northern Dutchess County in east central New York, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Katrine, or near Saugerties, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Red Hook around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Renevik around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pine Plains around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stanfordville around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Millbrook around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Millerton around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ammonia around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dover Plains around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Curley's Corners, Lithgow, Catspan, Linden Acres, Smithfield, South Ammonia, Shunpike, Fraley's, Chicomaco, and Baines Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fairfield County, eastern Putnam County, and southeastern New York until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pauling, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sherman around 3:35 p.m. In Fairfield around 3:40 p.m. Danbury and Brookfield around 3:55 p.m. Newtown and Bethel around 4 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Here is the forecast. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ulster County in east central New York, central Dutchess County in east central New York, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tilson, or near New Paltz, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Highland and High Falls around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hyde Park and Port Ewan around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Poughkeepsie, Stottsburg, and Fairview around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pleasant Valley around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stanfordville around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Millbrook around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ammonia and Dover Plains around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Salt Point, Norrie Heights, Rosendale, Maple Hill, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, Elting Corners, Haviland, Smithfield, and Marbletown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at ALB. Severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Fairfield County, Northwestern New Haven County, Eastern Putnam County, and Southeastern New York until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sherman to near Farnstock State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Fairfield around 4 p.m. Danbury and Brookfield around 4:10 p.m. Brewster around 4:15 p.m. Newtown around 4:20 p.m. Ridgefield and Bethel around 4:35 p.m. Southbury and Middlebury around 4:40 p.m. Naugatuck and Reading around 4:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Here is a special weather statement for the following. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Columbia County, and east central New York until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Copake, Oregon, 9 miles southwest of Great Barrington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Great Barrington and Sheffield around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Canaan and Ashley Falls around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sandusfield around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include East Sheffield, Hartville, Concord, Gomorrah, Wheat Mines, Alfred, Tyringham, North Otis, Craryville, and Newsboy Statue. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany, or Twitter at NWSAlbany. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbia, New York, and Berkshire, Massachusetts. The severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Albany, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Westchester County in southeast southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, western Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroe, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Harriman around 6:50 p.m. West Point around 7 p.m. New City and Peekskill around 7:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New York. Here is the forecast. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Orange and Putnam. Becoming north after midnight. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday, partly sunny with a slight... The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash for rainfall in central Orange County in Weather Service in Upton, New York until 10:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Monroe, West Point, Harriman, Curious Joel, Woodbury, Highland Falls, Fort Montgomery, Highland Mills, and Central Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York. For the following county: Orange, New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood advisory. Central Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenwood Lake, or near Sloatsburg, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Greenwood around 8 p.m. Sloatsburg around 8:05 p.m. Pomona around 8:15 p.m. Suffern around 8:20 p.m. Monley and Ramsey around 8:30 p.m. Mandarin around 8:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 9 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vernon Valley, or 9 miles northwest of West Milford, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Franklin, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Highland Lake, and Verne Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.